One of the key functions of RBI is it is banker's bank. I'll explain this concept of banker's bank. What does a bank do? Bank provides lot of financial services to its customers. It accepts deposits, it grants loans or advances against securities, and do many financial services in the form of bills of discounting and other financial activities. Similarly, RBI is banker's bank. The way banks behaves with its customer on similar grounds, RBI behaves with the bank. The way banks provides financial services to its customer, similarly RBI provides financial services to banks, and hence RBI is known as banker's bank. RBI exercises a statutory control over all commercial banks. In fact, all the scheduled banks has to keep a minimum of reserves against the demand and time liabilities with RBI. What are demand and time liabilities? Understand, banks which are registered under RBI Act of 1934 second schedule has to maintain minimum reserves with RBI. Now this minimum reserve is kept in order to handle the demand and time liabilities of the bank. I'll explain this demand and time liability of the bank. See, understand that banks receives money in the form of deposits, but these deposits has to be repaid to its customer, probably at the time where customer demands for the funds, or probably after some specific time period. So this repayment of deposit is basically bank's liabilities. Now, if bank invest or advances or give loans of all its input or all its deposit, then there are chances that in a certain situation bank cannot give back the funds as demanded or on time liabilities. In order to avoid such financial crunches, RBI demands all scheduled banks to put some amount of reserves with RBI. Apart from these, RBI provides another financial assistance to other banks, just like discounting of eligible bills or providing advances or loans against the approved securities to other banks. In simple words, yes, RBI is banker's bank. As banks provide a lot of financial services in the form of deposits, loans, advances, and financial activities to customers, in a similar terms, RBI also works with other banks. RBI do financial assistance in the form of allowing discounting of eligible bills, giving advances or loans against approved securities. RBI also exercises a statutory control over all the commercial banks, and it ensures that all scheduled banks should have a minimum amount of reserve kept with RBI against their demand and time liabilities. Hence, RBI works as banker's bank.